Tired of a cluttered Gmail inbox? Let me show you how to install Inbox Sweeper and clean your emails in seconds. First, open your Gmail in Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Extensions Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, search for Inbox Sweeper. Click on the Inbox Sweeper extension to open its details page. Now click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, go back to your Gmail inbox. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Select the account you want to use. Click Continue to allow Inbox Sweeper to connect with your account. Review the permissions carefully. Select the required options and click Continue. Now Inbox Sweeper will start loading inside your Gmail. That's it. Inbox Sweeper is now ready. You can extract unique email IDs or clean your inbox easily. Start decluttering your inbox today with Inbox Sweeper.